Welcome to my channel Super Kamal. Please do subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon button for latest updates and notifications. Guys, today I'm gonna show you that how you can earn money using Hypstar with app or which is now formerly known as Vigo video. As you can see that I already installed in my phone Vigo video, and I also created a account as I am gonna showing you right now. I just open that app and you can see that my account is there, and after that you can see that flame 49 flame is there, and if I want to withdraw that flame, then I just have to click that flame button, and after that you can see that 49 flames is converted into $0.73, and the minimum amount of withdraw money is $1 for first time or any time. So you can withdraw very easily without any problem, just connecting your PayPal account. And the main basic fundamental for getting your video like or got very high flame, just you have to create very high quality of video or something unique from different, and just try to use the filter of Vigo video or Hypstar and effects. After that you will get definitely very good flame. As you can see there, I just made a video today and I got that proper 17 flame today. So that's the main basic about how to get more flames on Vigo. So I hope that you like that video, and please don't forget to comment and share this video. And one more thing, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.